Hi guys. It's a long time, really long time. You know, my last video has been uploaded months ago. So, guys, I'm lazy. This is the reality. I'm lazy. So, this time you're going to watch a video. Trust me, worth it to watch because I'm going to show you how to stretch a pizza easily, you know. So forget about usual techniques, the driving technique, the Egyptian technique, or the Neapolitan slapping one. This one is not for pro, it's not for expert, it's more for beginners, okay? So what you need is just a bowl. Yeah. Just a bowl. Believe me, it's super easy. Better showing you how to do that. Please follow me on Instagram, Gigio Pizza, on Facebook, Runaway Dough. And of course, subscribe my channel, activate the notifications to know when I'm live or when my videos are finally on YouTube. Leave a comment. And so let's see the technique. See you later. This is a 20 hours rice dough. Just moved into a bowl full of flour, just to make sure to have a flour bath and to reduce the mess around it, to keep everything cleaner. You see, it works very well. Then I'm starting making the shape to make sure pizza is rounded, and then I start stretching from the middle to the edge by pushing the oxygen into the crust. So once pizza matches the size of your hand, you take the other bowl, 32 centimeters diameter. You see, it's a steam bowl. I move pizza to this bowl, to the back of the bowl, and I start stretching in order to match the full size. Once it's completely stretched, I can move pizza back to the table, and then that's it. You see? Super easy. Here we go. Have you seen? Super easy. I took 19 seconds to do that, but I reckon you can achieve the same results in much less. 15, 14, 13 seconds, it's up to you. Let's have a challenge, pizza challenge. Take a video while you are stretching a pizza, and then share your video as a comment on YouTube or on Instagram, and you can tag me, same as for Facebook. And the winner, if in Dublin or maybe around Dublin at some point, can join my pizza class for free, of course. Okay guys, remember to follow me and blah 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 blah. Okay, see you next time, hopefully very soon. Ciao! Hey guys, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram as Gigio Pizza and on Facebook as Runaway Dog or Impasto in Fuga. Thank you!